Well, hello YouTube friends and fans. Welcome back. Got an interesting unboxing here. This is supposed to be pretty much top of the line Dewalt tools, so stick around. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Hey, so let's open up the big box. So I can get rid of it first of all. That's really the only reason. So this guy here, what I think is special about all this, you can't find it at Lowe's, that's for sure. I didn't look at Home Depot. Home Depot's website does have it, but these are from Amazon. None of this is endorsed or paid promotion or anything like that. All bought out of my own funds. I was burning up tools. If you saw the previous video, I was grinding out this metal here and basically burn up the tool. Let me come around here and show you what happened. You can see that. Burnt that terminal right up in it. And let's see if we can get some light here. Should be able to see where that got hot up in there. Same thing happened with the battery, because they're just not Dewalt quality. They are aftermarket, they are cheap. So, the battery I believe is okay. And the reason I know that, I do have one tool that is 20 volt. There we go. But this one's got the same burn marks, or melt marks, however you want to put it. So, love that guy. Wouldn't trade that for the world. And in this set is a hammer drill and impact drill. There is also I gotta add the belt clip on. Don't know if I will do that. Probably won't. But this set comes with the impact driver, 1/4 inch, and it also comes with 1/2 inch, 3-speed. They're all bolt brushless, and they are, see it says FLEXVOLT on here. So what that means is the battery that comes with this big guy is able to go up into chop saw and circular saw, or table saw. This is the handle for the drill. Just loosen it up a little and make it a little stronger there when you're drilling something big and heavy. It does have the hammer drill function, but this is the max version. So, whew, barely put that on there, it's tight. Let's throw a battery on here and see if it stabilizes any better. Oh, that's the dead one. Got a nice little light there at the bottom. Nice little tool bag here. This is a 6 amp charger, which might have been part of my problem originally. This does say 20 volt max charger, but I believe that's probably the reason this big old tool here, 1/2 inch impact, I burned up the battery twice within months of having them. And I'd be willing to bet it was because this charger was undersized. And unfortunately that's what DeWalt's known for. They're known for lightly giving you a tool and one part of the equipment is junk. So what I mean by that is if you look at one of the big kits, $300-400 kits, they'll show some brushless tools, but the whole set's not brushless. The whole set's not the high-end stuff. There's something on the cheap end of it. And that's very similar to like this battery here. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's nothing really wrong with the battery, but it's not made to run this tool here for hours and hours. But this guy right here is made to run for hours. I don't know the specs, but this bad boy has got some power in it. These two batteries are supposed to be the same amperage, 6 amp hours each. Needless to say, I know which one's got a lot more power in it. It's nice they got the terminals covered. What's really on there? Really on there. So they want you to use this while it's in transport. It's interesting. Woohoo! Lights on the old. It's great. Now, granted, this has some weight to it, but you don't want the weight, I can always go back to the small guy. There's quite a bit of difference in weight there, guys. This was bought off of Amazon. They got a pretty good review. Try to share the link in below. So that's pretty much all that's in this. 2 batteries, 2 high-end tools. Now, the biggest reason I upgraded here is you're all probably familiar with the old 18-volt system with the post. Phenomenal tools. Absolutely phenomenal. The problem is, batteries were never really that good. Although they did make, for a very short period of time, an 18-volt post, just like this. Well, it was square body, and it was lithium, not the nickel cads. So the lithium was the identical version to one of these, and it was packed with actually 2 sets of batteries. And the reason I know that is because I lost one here, about a few months back, and a buddy of mine tore it apart because we needed the housing off of one. So the square body, 20 volt, pulled the housing off, pulled the 18 volt lithium housing off of it. The packs were identical on the batteries, and they tested the same as voltage and amps. And both were 3 amp hour in size. Now, and the funny part was only 2 of, is it 10 cells? Yeah, there was 10 cells in each one. So that is what we learned. They were identical, and all they did was change the housing so they can sell something else. That is marketing 101 right there, guys. Oh, come on. So this guy, I loved my last Dewalt grinder. I mean, when I smoked, that little attachment, and obviously melted this, didn't hurt that grinder any. And we got instruction manual, handle, and another giant battery. I sold the other set for $150. Had it listed for less than a day. So what you're seeing here, or will see here, I have some good money in it, don't get me wrong, but it's not what most people think. This total setup here, what's we got down there? There we go. Cool. This entire setup was $600 plus take the $150 off of it, makes it a pretty good deal. And I end up with 3 batteries. Actually end up with 3 kick-ass batteries. Well, 2 kick-ass batteries. 1 just average. But I already had some pretty good ones. These guys do pretty good. Just they die differently. They ain't got the same technology in them. So if you haven't ever seen this, this is a 4 and 6 inch grinder. These are all professional grade, hence the battery size. They're made to take a beating. So I have a 6 inch grinder cover here, and again it's a brushless max. Got the big giant battery. Can't be happier. Actually, what's going to be nice is this has got some weight in it. I mean, I can feel it. I switch the battery out. That balances it pretty good. And it does have a brake on this guy, so I'm not sure exactly what that little piece is. But anyhow, that's my new tools. I've been without any drill or anything for almost a week now. So the wife was asking me today, she says, hey, when's the drill coming? She was looking for one to use for something today. Anyhow, hey, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Hope you come back. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like if you would. Comment if you got any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Now the only downfall to that guy is it doesn't stand up. The other one I could actually stand up, but it is what it is. See you, friends.